Comrades of Central Kingston, it brings me great pleasure to present to you a man of quality, a man of power, a man of vision, a man of commitment, a man of integrity, a man who you deserve to serve you well. I bring to you your candidate in the next general election for the great constituency of Central Kingston, the constituency of Ralph Brown, the constituency of Michael Joshua Manley, the constituency of Ronnie Tates and many others. But I'm here to bring to you tonight your candidate, the victory candidate for the next general election, Comrade Steve McGregor.